Under an exclusive listing, a broker receives the sole right to represent an owner by marketing the listed property for sale or lease and locating a buyer or tenant, or a buyer or tenant by locating the property. Alternatively, an exclusive listing could be used between a broker and owner or lender to originate a trust deed mortgage. An exclusive listing has a specified period of employment set by an expiration date of employment such as 90 or 180 days after its commencement. Exclusive listings require an agent to use diligence in their efforts to fulfill the client's objectives to locate a buyer, tenant, or lender for the property. If an expiration date is not included in the exclusive listing, the broker faces suspension or revocation of their license by the Department of Real Estate. Two types of exclusive employment agreements for buying and selling real estate exist: an exclusive agency agreement for a seller or buyer, or an exclusive right to sell or right to buy listing agreement. Both types of exclusive listings establish the broker and their agents as the sole licensed real estate representatives of the client, whether they are the seller, buyer, or other party. However, the listings are distinguished by whether or not the broker has any right to a fee when the property is sold or located solely by the efforts of the client. Under an exclusive agency agreement's fee provision, the broker does not earn a fee when the client accomplishes the objective of the employment, i.e., selling the listed property or locating and buying the property sought. Conversely, under the fee provision in an exclusive right to sell or buy, the broker earns a fee no matter who, during the listing period, produces the buyer or locates the property sought under the listing. This is true whether it's the client, another broker, or other representative of the client, or the client's broker. Thus, it is the best way to protect your fee. An exclusive employment is an example of a bilateral agreement. And what is meant by that exactly? Well, a bilateral agreement is reciprocal. The broker or agent agree to exercise due diligence to fulfill the client's real estate objectives. In exchange, the client, be they the buyer or seller, promises to pay a fee under various circumstances. A practice tip: you're likely going to be tested on this terminology on the state exam. To remember it, focus on the bi prefix, which means two. Think of a bicycle or bifocal glasses. In the context of a contract, it means both parties are bound to act. Stated another way, it's a promise for a promise.